What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to delete all your wallpaper on your iPhone easily. So all we have to do is first you have to unlock your iPhone and you just need to unlock it, and once afterwards you have to press and hold like this. So right now, as you can see, these are some of the bunch of wallpaper which I have set very recently. This is one of my frequently used one, and this is some of the previous one which I set regularly on my iPhone. So if I want to delete this, we can't delete all at once. All you have to do is, for example, I want to delete this wallpaper. So all I have to do is just press hold like this, and you have to move like this upward direction, and you just need to go over here in the trash icon and you have to go for delete this wallpaper. Similarly, if you wanted to delete this, all you have to do is just press on, just move it up, and you have to click over here on the delete icon over here and just go delete this wallpaper. Similarly, you can do this to any wallpaper that you wanted to. So let me delete this as well. So all I am just going to just do like this, and I have to bring it up and just tap over here on the trash icon and go for delete this wallpaper. So this is how you can delete the wallpaper, and you can also delete all wallpaper at once. All you can do is just delete it one by one. So this is how you can do this, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.